Andito ako nanonood ng laro at practice ng mga kabataan dito sa Hollywood Regional Park, guys, Las Vegas. Katatapos ko rin naglakad-lakad ng konti. Kung gusto mong maging atleta talaga, mga kapatid, guys, must have excellent physical conditioning, strength, strong, healthy. Kailangan na mabilis, speed to perform at high level. At guys, ang may bibigay pa na benepisyo ng mga taong sports minded is helps your mental health too. Ang paglalaro talaga, it makes you happier sometimes or less stress. Sports calm your mind, strengthen your muscle. At saka kung sports minded ka, magkakaroon ka talaga ng disiplina sa sarili. Babawalan mo ang iyong sarili. Sabihin mo sa sarili mo, bawal itong maninigarilyo at bawal nang uminom ng alak. Sports also have hidden health benefits, guys, tulad ng lowering the chance of osteoporosis or breast cancer later in life. So ayan guys, I hope you like my content video again and follow me in Facebook. Thank you very much in watching. So ayan, take care yourself always, guys. God bless. Have a good one and bye bye.